Hello. Please let me introduce myself and this strategy. I am a very long-term ICT student that has been struggling for years in finding a solid setup that would fit my personality and my job schedule. While studying ICT's lessons and going through the mentorship, I have collected and handwritten thousands of pages of notes. I have tried to master and include in my trading plan each individual concept. Only after many years, I have realized that this has been backfiring all through my development. Less is more, and that works wonders in trading. This strategy I have developed in the end is very simple and effective. And you will not need to go through hours and hours of videos to master it. It requires very little time spent on the charts, a limited understanding of the massive library of ICT concepts, and it is designed to prevent spiraling intraday losses. In order to aid my trading life, this strategy is supported by two indicators that do 95% of the work automatically. I have spent the last year coding for a wide array of ICT concepts, and although designed primarily for the silver bullet, my indicators are incredibly versatile and could be used in at least 5 alternative strategies based on ICT concepts, just by adjusting their options. As every ICT strategy, it is based on time and price. We trade only the 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. candle, although we might allow for flexibility if we have some early news at 9:30. We only plot the chart on 1 minute and we let the indicator do its job. We focus only on US 500 or S&P. Although this strategy works very well on US 100 and Nasdaq. This strategy is based on 2 simple steps. Mapping of the higher time frame draw on price and then engaging. During the mapping, we let the indicator tell us which levels are likely to pull price up and which levels are likely to pull price down. The level that we look at are, in order of importance: new week opening gaps, old daily highs or old daily lows, new day opening gaps. And the indicator will plot them all automatically, no charting required. The strategy is based on continuation. Once the mapping is done, we wait for some measure of displacement higher or lower, and allow price to tell us which liquidity is the most likely to be run. We then wait for an all fair value gap to be plotted by the indicator. It is much better if the all fair value gap is in line with the direction of the displacement, otherwise it could be used as an inversion all fair value gap, but discretion is advised. From the all fair value gap, we might want to demo buy to the higher time frame draw on price. There must be a range of at least $8 to $10, as the silver bullet setup imposes us to take profits or at minimum a large partial at plus $5. The next thing we need to discuss is when the probabilities of a fluid and reliable market are low, while the likelihood of a choppy and unforgiving market is high. Non-farm payroll protocol. The non-farm payroll news is released every first Friday of the month. It is not advisable to trade from the Wednesday leading to this news release. My indicator automatically plots an alert while the non-farm payroll protocol is active. Seasonality. There are periods of the year, such as summer or Christmas, when trading is not advisable. My indicator has a seasonality function that plots historical markets' behavior and the low probability periods. Mixed markets. As ICT has taught us, the best trades present when the markets are symmetrical. My indicator has a mixed market function that plots an alert if one of the 3 indices is in its upper 80% of its daily range, while another one is in its lower 20%. Although this strategy is very simple, I have coded for a very large array of ICT concepts, and I have included most of them in this indicator. Each individual concept is explained in details in 2 how-to videos on this channel. Here is a list of the supporting factors that can be plotted. From the daily time frame we have seasonality, weekly profile, non-farm payroll week alert, daily fair value gap shown on 1-minute chart, daily volume imbalance shown on 1-minute chart, Previous day SMT shown on 1-minute chart. Intraday SMT shown on 1-minute chart. From the intraday time frame we have session gap, equal highs and lows, relative equal highs and lows, regular fair value gaps, regular volume imbalances, 2 and 3 minutes chart, all fair value gaps, swing SMT, intermediate swing SMT, swing to swing SMT, mixed market alert, bull or bear break in market structure. All this can be a big help when navigating the 1-minute chart. I hope this video has been a good introduction to this trading plan. I look forward to having you check the many examples I have been posting. The indicator will soon be for sale, and I am planning to offer a generous 1-month free trial. I suggest that you get accustomed to the strategy by viewing the many short intraday reviews I am going to post. You are all welcome to leave a message. See you soon.